I'm here with Thomas. He is the head of the product development at nChain. Hi, Thomas.
Hello.
Thanks for joining us this afternoon. I know it's a busy day for you guys. It's day 2 here at ComplexCon Hong Kong, and you guys have developed this app, you and your team at nChain. Tell us about how your experience has been so far with the creation of this app.
So the creation of the app went actually well. It took, I think, about 5 to 6 months to develop from the really analysis phase of trying to consider what do we want to do within the app. How do we want it to be a better experience than what exists today? So we really went on into a journey of like, what is the audience going to expect? What are the attendees would like to see more? And especially because, also the audience for ComplexCon is slightly different than, I would say, business events. They are actually looking for something refreshing.
And the app uses blockchain technology. It's a Web3 app. It's something different. What do you think this app, how does it stand out compared to other apps with the use of blockchain technology?
It's actually in the way the blockchain is being used. So for reference here, we use NFTs to actually issue benefits. So the NFTs have an actual utility. So, and for people that look at the app, they may not know right away that there is blockchain behind it. And I think that's part of the success of it, is it's simple to use. You don't have to understand anything about the NFT. We handle it for you, and then you use those coupons to redeem benefits. Here's the Verdi passport or the VIP merch pack. All of that is basically a unique NFT that has been issued to you. But on the front end, you don't see it right away. And that's probably what makes it so successful here.
What do you think were some of the challenges, if any, that you've experienced while creating the app, and how did your team address such challenges, if any?
I think it gets to how to make the user story seamless while including all the aspects of blockchain. So how do you make it really transparent, very easy to use? And the more you want it to be easy for the user, the more you have to do behind the scenes. So the more work you put on making it easy, the harder it gets for you and for the development team.
And your experience here on the ground at the event, how has that been like?
Amazing. The amount of people that actually came at the event and then used the app to claim their first benefit, mainly the Verdi passport, has been quite interesting. So we've actually been all hands on deck during the day to help process the people and get them to collect those passports. It's been tremendously great so far.
Great, that's good to hear. And for future events, I understand nChain can be doing apps again. So what could we expect in the next couple of events in terms of app development, and what kind of features it could have for users?
I think a bit of it will be expanding on the learning that we have had with this event. Or do we even pursue further path around benefits, around this ability to collect and be very interactive with the audience? The other piece is it will depend on the type of industry. Is it more going to be business or tickets for business conferences, or more like this one, more for in fashion? So depending on the audience, we may adjust a bit where do we take this product.
Right. Any key takeaways and learnings from this event that you can carry on to possibly for the next events?
I don't think I have a clear answer yet for that question. I think we need to basically wrap up the event and decide, okay, what did we learn that was positive, what was not so positive, and we need to adjust. The part that I think the most successful is those interactions with also the user. Did they like the app? Was it easy to use? And or even seeing them actually use the app very quickly, going through the registration scenario, collecting their ticket. There are improvements that I think we will be able to make that are effectively learning, but nothing that I would be really scared of doing. We have had 6 months or less than 6 months to go end to end, and we managed to put a lot of work into the app. I think those small adjustments is a matter of a few weeks.
Right. So overall, big success.
Yeah, I would say big success.
Okay. Well, thanks so much for speaking to us.
Thank you.
Bitcoin mining, Bitcoin wallet, blockchain, stablecoins, Metanet, the evolution of money. Everybody is talking about Bitcoin today, but what exactly is it? Learn the basics from experts. Learn what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why it matters. Blockchain 101, your ultimate guide to the fundamentals of blockchain.